Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Expansionary policies change everything when a country hits a recession. We will quickly solve how the budget and interest rates react to these specific shifts. Expansionary fiscal policy means the government is spending more or cutting taxes to boost the economy. Since they started with a balanced budget, this shift naturally moves them toward a deficit. Next, the central bank uses expansionary monetary policy to increase the money supply. This specific action pushes interest rates down, but we must also consider the impact of the fiscal side. Increased government borrowing pushes interest rates up. Because these forces oppose each other, the final interest rate change is considered indeterminate. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid washing when signs conflict. Trust given facts and check steps for option B.